Welcome back to another video. I'm Jonathan here at Shadow Foam, and in this video we're going to be giving you a whistle-stop tour of all things Shadow Foam. Let's head inside. So, what is Shadow Foam? Well, we keep this tool chest right here for exactly that question, because this illustrates perfectly what Shadow Foam is and what it's used for. Essentially, Shadow Foam is the multi-layered grade of foam, which you cut around an item. Could be a hand tool, could be a camera, could be a collectible. You cut around the item and then you peel back layers of foam to create a custom liner. When organising tools, you end up with a fantastic visual control, which basically highlights when something's missing. You can see instantly that you've got a screwdriver missing or you've got an Allen key missing. We sell it in 7 different colours and in 3 depths. You can buy it in stamped inserts, in large standard sheets, or in our value packs. We make foam inserts for every brand of power tool case, be it DeWalt, Bosch, Milwaukee, Trend, Festool, Makita, but it doesn't just stop at tools. On our YouTube channel, we make videos on all kinds of projects, big and small. We've done things like a big Sneak gaming energy wall with 40 plus shakers and flavours. We've done a PS4 travelling portable case. We've done a huge 100 feet of Scalextric track on a portable table. We've done toolbox makeovers and power tool inserts for all the different brands of power tool cases. We make how-to videos showing all the nifty little ways to cut Shadow Foam to make it easier for you. And we've made specialty cases for some really cool stuff like Nerf guns and hot sauce, barber's kits, security kits, Apple's accessories, whiskey, chess sets. We've done action figures and we've done some ornate collectible Game of Thrones eggs. We've done a full Star Wars cosplay build. And we've done an epic power tool wall, which is this one behind me. A full range of Makita power tools, all in foam up on the wall. But there's always something new happening here at Shadow Foam. So let me show you around the place. So this is our manufacturing area. We have a variety of machinery here, and we make all of our foam inserts and products in-house. We process an awful lot of foam here. And when I say a lot of foam, I mean a lot of foam in a lot of colours. And it's not just a whole buttload of foam that we're processing around here, we're also constantly adapting and improving this space that we work in. Shadow Foam's been operating for 10 years, but we're constantly improving the business. And all of those improvements and projects we're capturing in video to share with you. Just over here, we've been extending our mezzanine. This was just last week. And all these improvements that we're making, we want to share with you to give you a look behind the curtain about how a small business has got a bootstrap and get things done themselves. We've got loads of other projects in the pipeline. We're going to be working on a foam granulator very soon to recycle all of the foam offcuts that we generate here and hopefully turn it into something else. We've also going to be going out to see other businesses, transforming their toolboxes. And we've also got our workshop here. This is going to be a whole series, improving and upgrading the workshop. Here's a little teaser. We hope you can join us on the journey. We're going to be putting out weekly videos showing all the projects and updates that we're making. And if you like the sound of that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the little notification bell. You don't want to miss any of these future projects. We also love to see all your comments. I read every single comment that is made on our videos, and I'd love to hear what you're excited to see or what projects you'd like to see us work on. So that was Shadow Foam. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you subscribe and follow along on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video.